Welcome to a journey unlike any other, a path that leads you to your doorway of infinite possibilities. Today we introduce you to the transformative world of Vortex Request Hypnosis, or VRH, a unique method designed to help you manifest your deepest desires and live the life you've always dreamed of. Join us as we explore this powerful technique, inspired by the teachings of Abraham Hicks and the endless potential of the universe. At the heart of Vortex Request Hypnosis lies the concept of the Vortex of Creation, a metaphysical space where all your desires, dreams, and aspirations are not just possible, but always exist in their fullest form. Imagine a place where every version of you, living every potential life, is real and accessible. This is the foundation upon which Vortex Request Hypnosis is built. Utilizing principles from the law of attraction, this innovative hypnosis technique guides you into a deep state of relaxation, allowing you to tap into your subconscious mind. It's here, in this state, that you can connect with your desired reality within the vortex. Through guided visualization and transformative processes, you'll embark on a journey of self-discovery and manifestation. You'll learn to embody the essence of your desires, be it wealth, health, or happiness, integrating these realities into your current existence. Imagine the power of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the abundance of the universe. Vortex Request Hypnosis is not just about achieving your goals. It's about transforming your entire being to resonate with the frequency of your deepest aspirations. The benefits of this profound journey are limitless. As we prepare to launch a series of Vortex Request Hypnosis sessions, I invite you to open your mind and heart to the possibilities that await. Each session is carefully designed to guide you closer to the life you're meant to live, the abundance you're destined to experience, and the joy that's waiting for you in your vortex of creation. Stay tuned for our upcoming sessions, where we'll dive deeper into the transformative practice, guiding you step by step towards manifesting your multimillionaire self, achieving unparalleled health, and unlocking the secrets of everlasting happiness.